Okay, where are we, Tristan?
This is the elevator at the Lost Key.
Okay.
Hotel.
Lost Key Marina and Yacht Club. Okay.
This is a really beautiful elevator. Not one that's at the fourth floor. We're going to go up. This one's at the ground floor already. A lot of elevator videos that don't really tell you what floor they're on, but this one, yes, I know. This is going to be awesome.
And?
It's an Otis. Oh, I forgot to say that. And it's Otis. Elevator 1. Okay, we're going to go up to 11. Nice indicator. Even has a phone button. I do not want to push that button. Right? Oh, this one has a window too.
Just giving it.
11?
We're at 11. Oh, it moves so quickly.
Let's walk out.
Diesel
Let's check it out.
And Diesel do see this elevator say 11, and then just 2 seconds ago, it always kind of like says, just like instantly when we say it. I do not want to throw my hat right out that window.